And what we have here is a couple of friends, some goats. Howdy, friends. Just hanging out with my goat friends. Hey, friend. What are you doing? What are you doing right there? Let's see, we got the goats over here. And we have a turkey and a rooster. Yeah, probably. Yeah, we got a rooster and we got looks like a hen. Looks like the cocks are fighting. Yeah. Yeah, they're talking. Yeah. Oh, I gotta watch where I'm pointing this thing here. And got some goats, hens, roosters, and turkeys. Looks like there's the big cock over there. Huge, swollen. Oh, and the turkey's fanning out. Holy begone. All right.